Walter and William Good. Twin brothers Walter and William "Bill" Good were born in Kalamazoo in 1916. As boys, they designed small wooden and paper model airplanes, which they sold for 10 cents. In 1933, while students at Kalamazoo College, they combined Bill's radio expertise and Walt's model building skills to develop radio-controlled airplanes. In 1937, they successfully flew Guff, one of the first radio-controlled aircraft. Guff flew more than 1,000 times and now resides in the Smithsonian's National Air and Space Museum. During World War II, the brothers contributed to military research efforts and later pursued careers as physicists. Walter was inducted into the Model Aviation Hall of Fame in 1969 and the Vintage Radio Control Society Hall of Fame in 1975. In 1989, both brothers were inducted into the Society of Antique Modelers Hall of Fame and received the Distinguished Alumni Award from Kalamazoo College in 1977. William passed away in 2001 and Walter in 2002. For their dedication to radio-controlled flight and their lasting impact on aviation, Walter and William Good are inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.